This is the Hello World podcast. If you're evaluating my work, for example, and I gave you content, what are three criteria that you will use to evaluate whether my content is fair, good, or outstanding?
Likely ask you first things about your audience. Of course, what are we trying to achieve? What are their needs? What are their requirements? Those are a given. I also ask, for instance, if it's an online course, especially, a profile of the audience that includes, are they working professionals? Do they have families? Do they commute to work? I ask those because I like designing a course around their lifestyle. If they're busy professionals and we expect them to complete, say, a 5-hour course every day, we might be setting them up for failure. That might not be possible if they have to work 8 hours a day, commute, and then take care of families. So we structure the content around their lifestyle. That's one. And so I'll ask, what their demographics, what they're trying to achieve. Assess. Well, first, of course, I have to see your content. No, it's difficult for me to imagine. But yeah, those there. I would say not just ask if the course addresses their immediate needs for skills or knowledge, but structure it around their lifestyle so it's easier for them to complete the course. So there's less friction. That's why why podcasts work. Why podcasts are a good learning material, because you can take it anywhere. Like if you're driving, just listen to it. You can finish like a 30-minute or a 15-minute course, right? Yes. Or in between meetings, in between your meeting and your lunch break, you can maybe consume a 10-minute podcast. So it's very handy. So those are, besides diving into the content, I would also look at those to make sure they fit into, that they give people a good learning experience, that there's no friction between the person and the course, and that makes it likely will increase the success of the learning program.
Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.